Hi, today we're going to take a look at the Wenger Carbon laptop backpack. Now this is a 17-inch laptop backpack with a whole variety of pockets and little features, but let's take a quick look at what the manufacturer sees as the main selling points. And first up we have their case base feature, which is a stabilizing platform that keeps the bag standing upright. And I've seen this on a couple of their backpacks, it's very effective. This one is completely empty, and as you can see, it stood there incredibly sturdy. Next we have the airflow, which just offers breathable back padding, keeping both you and your backpack as cool as possible. And finally, we have the pass-through trolley strap, found on the back of the backpack, for just slotting it securely onto your luggage when traveling. Pretty self-explanatory, and feels nice and sturdy. But the thing that always stands out to me with these Wenger products is just the general build quality of them. We have several people in the office that use them for carrying their laptops, and the material it's made of, the stitching, any kind of structural tubing, even the padding, it just feels like a well-made product, and from what I've seen and experienced, that seems consistent across their range. And this is particularly evident in the carry handle, found on the top of the backpack. It's pinned down with some strong fastenings, and it goes into like a metallic tube, firmly affixed there, and it runs all the way across to the other side with a metallic cable, rubber casing, reinforced by another strap, and then a rubber grip on the outside. And looking at the Carbon backpack is absolutely loaded with various pockets and handy little features. So let's run over them quickly, front to back, to see what we've got. So starting at the front here, we have an initial zip pocket with a keychain inside, a pretty substantial zip pocket, space for pens, a couple of smaller pockets, mesh pocket there, and a large pocket right at the front. Plenty of extra room to put some other bits in there. Moving back one, we have another zip pocket. Goes down about a third to half of the backpack. Some smaller inner pockets. And as we get towards the larger compartments, you can see we have a similar set. Velcro pocket, another open pocket. There's a small divider in the bottom there, separating books, notebooks, folders and the like. And then towards the front, we have a large mesh pocket with a zip across the top. And I like the inclusion of mesh pockets in a backpack like this. Sometimes when you're carrying around pen drives and very specific items, it's good to be able to just kind of see they're in there when you have like a selection of smaller bits. It's a minor thing, but I think it adds to the overall backpack nicely. And then we get to the main compartment. And again, we have a mesh pocket that goes halfway down the backpack. Some general storage space in the center here. Then a large pouch with two bits of Velcro. And one would assume this is the main pocket for the laptop itself. There's some nice additional padding towards the front, and the back panel is pretty firm with a fairly sturdy sheet-like material at the back there for additional support. And it's important to note that between compartments like this, there's like a minimal bit of padding in between there as well to stop pointed objects jabbing into whatever's on the other side. And something I always appreciate on products like this is a substantial loop on the double zip, so if needs be, you can padlock the two together, making your laptop extra secure. This combined with the reassuringly noisy rip of Velcro and the fact that your laptop is kept close to your back, you're definitely going to feel and hear if somebody starts interfering with where your expensive tech is, keeping it secure. Now I hope you found this quick overview of the backpack useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If you've got anything to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.